Sometimes what we need is just to slow down. And just like this stream is at this one point, it's very calm and still. It's like a really slow, gentle passing. And sometimes that's what we need. We need to just kind of get back to nature, find a spot, sit still, pay attention, observe, and just notice what's going on. Like, there's butterflies in the distance, and you can see little tadpoles like swimming underneath near that rock, and you can hear the bird squawking in the background. And one of those I forget what they're called, skeeters, they like kind of float on the water, and you hear kids in the background. You can hear people walking behind me on the trail. So it's like, just pay attention to like this moment and what's in your visual focus and your hearing focus, and just be. So that's my insight for you today. Just be. Allow for the slowness and see the ripples, not just in this moment, but how it passes through and through.